Hello friends, my name is Sonu Singh and once again you have started watching me to the studio channel. Today I will talk about the communication skill. Communication skill is something that can do wonders for you. If you have the good communication skill, you can win good friends, you can get good job, or even if you want to say something, you can say that particular thing with the great impact. It is not what you say, it is all about how you say it. If you see the motivational speakers, they follow the books, they follow the formulas and the local stories that is available to everyone. But it is the communication skill that empowers them with the greater efficiency. And that's how they are establishing the connection with their audience. And that is the reason they are making money. If you want to make money in today's time, then it is very important to have the good connection with the audience. With the help of social media, people are getting the voices that can be enhanced. If you have the power of internet and technology, then you can put your voice at right platform with the greater impact. The thing is that it is the communication skill that is going to give you the tool that is able to create the impact. So how can we have the good communication skill? There are so many people who believe that someone is born with the communication skill, but that is not the reality. If someone is a good communicator, it means that they have taken the strategy for it. They have properly crafted the way that how to improve their communication skill. If you have the good communication skill, you can be a blogger, you can be a good teacher, you can be a good leader. Communication doesn't mean only saying things that you want to say. Communication skill means you have to create the maximum impact. You have to establish the connection with the audience. And sometimes you have to convince them that what is your vision, what do you want to do. There are so many businesses in the market, in the name of promotion, advertisement and marketing, they spend huge amount of money. But if you go in the center, then what do they do in the name of promotion? They do only one thing, and that is they are trying to communicate to their customers so that they can have the maximum amount of customers who can be added with their company or with their organization. So you can see that the impact of communication is really important, and it can only be improved if you take a proper strategy for it. So that's why I always suggest that if you want to better your communication skill, at least spend 20 to 30 minutes on your communication skill. Because it doesn't matter which degree do you have, it doesn't matter what is your background. If you see a person and their status and their relationship, it is all because they are able to create a good connection. And they are able to create good connection, it all depends on their communication skill. So there are so many aspects of communication skill. If you are dressing yourself, if you are showing yourself very confident, if you have the right body language, these are all form the basis of communication skill. Because verbal communication constitutes very minimum amount of the total communication. Your body language, your dressing, your way of looking at the people, everything is making you help establishing the connection with the audience. So that's why if you want to learn the communication skill, go to the tutor. There are so many books that is available. Now these days there is avalanche of online classes. But trust me friends, that the future is of those who have the good communication skill. Because of the internet and social media, everyone is getting the amplified voices. And that is the reason that whatever you say, it can create the maximum impact, but only if you have the power of good communication skill. So I hope that you understand the importance of communication skill and you will put the right effort. So the question is, how can we improve our communication skill? So first of all, you have to dedicate your time. Everything starts with the devotion. Once you decide that you will commit yourself for something, your journey starts from there. So if you want to be a good communicator, make sure that you will commit 20 minutes or 30 minutes every day. And next, you have to speak. And in order to have a good communication skill, we have the power of mobile. You can just record yourself with a different kind of message and with different kind of roles. You can change your roles and every day play the different role, play the different character. And that's how you yourself can see your video, that how convincing you are. And if you feel that you are quite convincing, then you can share the videos with some of your friends and ask for the feedback. And on the basis of the feedback, you can improve yourself, you can correct yourself. So keep doing this. Next thing is that work on your confidence level. Sometimes we have so many things to say, we are good with the verbal communication, but our confidence level is not good. So how can you work on your confidence? See, there are so many things that you can do to improve your confidence. First, you have to take the help of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are those priority lists which attract your attention, which is important for you. So if you have the positive affirmations, try to say it. I can give you some example that there are so many public speakers. In our opinion, they are amazing. But what happens in their mind when they have to face the audience? They're also scared. They're also a bit nervous. But they take this help of positive affirmation. They start saying that yes, I can do it. Yes, I can motivate the audience. Yes, I can face the crowd. So every great motivational speaker, every athlete, whenever they are exposed to the difficult situation, they give the same reaction as normal people give. But they take the help of positive affirmations. So if you take the positive affirmations, it will set the right platform to have the confidence. So these are the few tips. If you follow, I'm sure it is going to have the greater impact on your communication skill. And if you improve your communication skill, you will see that things are changing around you. You are winning better friends, you are getting good clients, and now you have trust of the people. So I hope that you would like this video, and if you like this video, then hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you for staying with me. See you in next video.